Hi and welcome guys, and today in this video we are going to be watching a no face channel. That is, you don't have to show your face, and it's going to be quite interesting for the people who love food. So we are on basement dot journey. On the basement journey channel we are doing something like this. That is, it's a food compilation channel, and I am sure that you're definitely gonna like it. So let's go on to my PC and let's see what this whole channel is all about. Right now, I am in my PC and we can see this channel, that is Foodie, that's Foodi with triple E. Okay, so it has got 243K subscribers and it has got 290 videos only. And it's a very good channel, we can say, because the traction is very good. They are getting a good number of views every day. So they post nowadays each video every day, that is one video every day. So now, without wasting any single moment, let's just go on to the channel and let's see what the status or the stats are saying. So what is the whole channel is all about? So it's a food compilation channel basically, and I am just gonna copy this name, and after that I am gonna copy it up, and we are gonna go on to Social Blade. So I am here in Social Blade and I am gonna show you this thing, and I am gonna just search so that where we are going to get the whole statistical report and all that sort. So now we can see it's the same channel, this the same with the same icon, and here is the cover pic. Okay, so let's go up here. So they have uploaded 290 videos till now. They have got 242K subscribers. It's an US based channel and it's being started on February 15th, 2009. But they were not regular, but now they're posting regularly. Okay, enough of all that. So we can see the channel is getting views of 2.68 million every 30 days. And they are getting near about 9K subscribers. For the last 30 days, they have got 9K subscribers, and that's really good. But the all the views have a bit declined, we can see. And not just that, so if we go and okay, let me tell you this also, the estimated monthly earning is near about 670 to 10.7K. So we can assume, we can take a middle ground and we can say that it is making near about 5 to 6K per month, and that is pretty good. That's not really bad. Okay, and they are making an yearly earnings of 128K. On the higher side, on the lower side, it shows of 8K, and that is they are making near about 60 to 70,000 dollars each year, and that is pretty good, I could say, and not bad for a food compilation channel where you don't have to show your face even. Now, here are the subscribers and the video views that we can see. So we can see every day they are always getting near about 100,000, that is 100,000 views every day. So the everyday video views are quite good. And not just that, we can see the daily average is near about 89,000, which is pretty much good, and a weekly is 625,000 views. So what we can easily conclude is that this channel is growing, that this channel is really going on its peak. And what you have to do is pretty simple. How they are doing, we should also know about this thing also. So let's go on to this. Let's go on to the foodie page, and we can see how these videos are being made. So what they are doing is basically very simple. They're collecting content from different sources, for example on Instagram and all different sources. So all these videos are being compiled and they are showing it to people. Now, not just that, you can see all the food videos that people are seeing. Okay, so this is quite good. This is quite good. And we can see the food compilation video for corporation music by Ixon. Okay, so they are showing it. The music is being given by this person. Not just that, when I just saw your thumbnail, I was just like, oh my god, it's so awesome. So how are they making the whole thumbnail? It's pretty simple. Okay, see, I love all your desserts. Yummy, awesome chicken dishes today. Wow, amazing. First and all that. So it's going pretty good. It's going pretty good, I would say. So now here we come to this, and we can see all the thumbnails are there, which are nothing but Instagram images that we are also doing. So if you haven't checked the basement journey, so go on to YouTube and just write basement.journey. You are going to get the channel where I am myself documenting, and we, that is you and I together, are making a food compilation channel where everything similarly like these, as I was telling you on that channel, that I am going to show you a channel that is really around this niche, and they are making a good amount of videos every day, and this is worth it, because what's happening is that people can easily learn something like these, and it's super worth it. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the statistics again, and we can see a good number of views. It's quite a good channel. The total grade is B plus. It's kind of okayish, and the best thing of all is that, first of all, they are not showing their face. That is, you don't know who the owner is. The second thing is, we don't know that the person is sitting anywhere, can be anywhere in the whole world, and is making the videos. That is, you're getting so much flexibility, and you can follow your passion. And it's a disclaimer, you can say, it is to be kept in mind that if you are really passionate about food, then only start channel like this. If you are really passionate something else, you can comment down below that what is the thing that you are really passionate about, and I can help you up in showing the ways that you can make something, and you don't have to show your face even. That's exciting, right? That's so, and that's actually unimaginable that we can do something like these. Okay, now we are going to go on to this channel, and we are going to go on to the about section. So what we can see is that they have near about 59 million views till now. Okay, so if we go on to the short section, and we can see the most popular ones, and we can see they have got 5.8 million views 10 months ago, 3.6 million, 2.3 million, 1.8 million, 1.5, 1.5 million, 1.4 million, and so on and so forth. So I am going to go on to the oldest video, and I am going to show you this. So this is how this channel has been started. See, 1 year ago, they were showing some things like these ones, right? So they were showing something like these, and after that, they started uploading. That is, if we open this video, and we are just going doing a, and you can say, case study upon this channel kind of thing. Okay, so we can see that this video is being posted on February 26th, 2020. Okay, so almost a year ago, they have just started uploading these videos. Previously, this was not there, and it's pretty good, right? It's really amazing that how you can within 1 year make a channel, and you can easily show people. And I'm not telling you that this growth will be just like, for example, if you start today, 1 year after this, you're gonna have results like this. The results may depend on to the different aspects, but I can assure you this, that you might have results bigger than this, or you might not have results like this. It can entirely depend upon you, how you are using the content, how you are uploading, what is your strategy, how you're optimizing the video. And if you're talking about optimizing, if you don't know about vidIQ, you can easily go on to the description below. There is an affiliate link where you can easily use vidIQ, and you can do your keyword research. And if you don't have money, or if you don't want to invest in it, I have given a special trick onto the basement journey channel, where you are easily going to learn how you can optimize without wasting any money. If you think it's an investment, it's a good thing for you, that's a mindset. But if you think it's a waste of money, then I have to say that we should fix up our mindset at first, because it's worth it. When you're investing money on vidIQ, you are investing on your automation, you are easily investing on your learning, and ultimately that is you're investing on yourself. And that is one of the best things, one of the best tools that you can use. Because what is happening on vidIQ, whenever we get the keywords that are straight from YouTube's API, and now, talking of all that, we can easily, I think, make a channel like this. For that, we need simple things. We need to collect different videos from different sources. Even if you want to use, you can use pixels also, so that you get high quality videos. And after that, you can give a voiceover over that, so that it becomes much more eligible, because you're unique, something extra, you are giving some extra content to it. That is, you're transforming the whole video and you're adding some value. So what is happening in that is very simple. Your video gets transformation, so it's a transformative video, and you can easily be able to monetize it, and you can show it to people, because sometimes people are really curious about how they can monetize it. And whenever I myself have seen that people are most interested in how to make money on YouTube, rather than learning how you can grow on YouTube. That's quite unique and quite funny on the other side, but it's okay. That's how the majority of people are searching. But let's focus on learning first, because whenever we learn the skill, we are gonna easily be able to monetize the thing. So guys, that was all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the whole video and you have most importantly learned something. So that was all for today. See you again on another video. Bye for now. Bye.